Hello there guys, this is Matthew the Dinosaur King, and then today I am back with another video. As you can see, well, I now have a new place to do my unboxings. Because well, today is a very special unboxing, as it is this parcel that has come all the way from Everything Dinosaur. And it is some of the first 2015 models released. So I'm just gonna this camera back. Now I am using a box knife, so when opening boxes, alright, do be careful guys, because these are very sharp. So I will be doing all of my future unboxings in here as well. There's much better lighting. Right. Oh. First off, we have the back sheets. Oh, wow. So first up we have the Schleich and Hangera, who looks pretty awesome. We have the Safari Limited Archaeopteryx. One of my favourite new models of this year, the Safari Limited Nasutoceratops. A wonderful Safari Sauropelta. The incredible Safari Limited Eutyrannus. The pretty underrated Carnegie Velociraptor. Last but not least, a much hyped Schleich Kentrosaurus. So let's get these guys out of the packages. And first off, let's start with the Schleich Kentrosaurus. Let's get her out of the bag. Look at her, she is amazing. Look at the detail. Love the colours. Alright, so there's one. Let's look at the Schleich and Hangera. Let's get this. Wow, look at him. I will take him out though. Packaging, but yeah, look at him, just his jaw move. Yes, it does. Look at that. Opens up quite a bit, so he looks fantastic. Let's have a look at the Carnegie Velociraptor. I have to say that I love the coloration of this guy. He looks fantastic. Even though, well, when I review them, I'll talk some more about them, but in fact, let's do Nasutoceratops first. I know that's one of the most hyped about figures. Let's have a look at her. Wow, she looks amazing. Look at her. Absolutely incredible detail. Let's have a look at one of the most hyped figures, Eutyrannus. Look at him. Absolutely amazing detail. Look at this. Fantastic. It's a big old, oh boy, set falling over. Now that's one of the probably most underrated figures, Sauropelta. Let's look at her. I actually think she looks very nice. Look at that. All the spikes, the scoots. It's actually pretty hard on the tail. See, it's quite long. So let's put her there. And last but not least, we have the Safari Limited Archaeopteryx. Can I get him out? Yeah, look at that. Here he is in all of his glory. See, he's got a black coloration. He's got actually quite some nice purple on him. So yeah, this is actually, I would have to say, one of my best and biggest hauls to date. So with just a recap, we have the Schleich Kentrosaurus, the Schleich Anhangera, the Safari Limited Archaeopteryx, the Carnegie Velociraptor, the Safari Limited Nasutoceratops, Safari Limited Sauropelta, and the Safari Limited Eutyrannus. Now I'll be reviewing all of these guys, and I have to say these look fantastic, so expect some great reviews from these. So please take care and have a great day. Bye!